Think of an embedding as a giant magical map, but instead of mapping cities, it maps concepts. Every concept gets its own special set of coordinates. Ever wonder how AI just gets you? You can ask it for a fluffy animal that purrs, and it knows you mean a cat. You can say you're sad, and it can suggest music. It seems like it understands, but does it? Here's the secret. AI doesn't understand words. It can't read cat and picture a furry friend like we do. An AI's brain only speaks one language, math. It only understands numbers. So how does it get from this a word to this numbers? How does it turn our world of meaning into its world of math? It uses a magic trick called embeddings. For example, let's put the word king right here. Where would the word queen go? Right next to it? Because king and queen are very similar concepts. Monarch would be close by too. What about kitten? It would land right next to cat. Puppy would land right next to dog. Things that mean similar things end up in the same neighborhood on the map. This map is so smart. It even captures relationships. The distance and direction from king to queen is almost the exact same as the distance and direction from man to woman. The AI doesn't know what a king or queen is, but it does know that king is to queen as man is to woman. It just sees that the math adds up. And here's the really cool part. This doesn't just work for words. An image of a cat? The AI can turn that into coordinates too. And guess where it lands? Right in the cat neighborhood. The sound of a meow? Yep, that also gets mapped to the same spot. So when you ask an AI to find a fluffy animal that purrs, it just finds the coordinates for that phrase and looks for whatever else is in that exact same neighborhood on the map. Embeddings are the translator. They are the magic that turns our complex world of concepts into a simple mathematical map of meaning that AI can finally understand. Happily, it's not thinking, it's just really, really good at navigation.